Hi friends, we are back with Skill 6, Lesson 8. We're going to start with our oral warm-up like we always do. We're going to start with our fingers. The first part is going to be kind of an oral chaining, and then the next part is going to be words, like a group of words. Okay, so let's start me first, and then you try it with me. Ran. Now with me. Ran. Now I'm going to add a sound onto the end. Ranch. Now with me. Ranch. Okay, now I'm going to add a sound to the beginning. We're going to use all 5 of our fingers. You can probably hear my bird Skylar squawking. She always squawks whenever I do this part for some reason. I think she likes the cadence of my voice. Okay, so here we go. Branch. You might hear my cat scampering across the floor like a crazy kitten. And you'll have to excuse me. Let me start back with that one again. Branch. Now together. Branch. Okay, I'm going to delete the sound at the end and add a different sound. Brand. Now with me. Brand. Okay, now I'm going to take out one of the beginning blends sound, the okay? Band. Now with me. Band. Okay, doing a good job. Now this is a group of words. Okay, let's do the first word. Bed. Bed. Now with me. Bed. Bed. Okay, now listen for this one. Ouch. Couch. Now with me. Now with me. Ouch. Couch. Bird is ridiculous. Okay. Next one. Listen first, then do it with me. Desk. Desk. Now with me. Desk. Desk. Okay. Now listen first. Lamp. Lamp. With me. Lamp. Okay, last one, all 5 of your fingers. Carpet. Carpet. With me. Carpet. Carpet. Okay, normally we pronounce it carpet. We have the sound usually makes a schwa symbol, but in this instance, they did not put the upside down E, so I'm taking it as it meant so carpet. I don't know if we're really supposed to pronounce it like that or not, but I usually say carpet. Okay, pause here and review the sounds. Pause here and review the sounds. Pause here and review the sounds. And this is a little bit of rhyme time. We have always before just tried to listen for the same beginning sound, but with rhyming, the beginning sound is the only thing that is different. Okay, so for instance, hot, ought, and pot ought have the same ending sounds. Okay, so ought and ought would rhyme. Okay, so when you look at our number 2 set of words, big and et, big, et, ig, and et aren't even the same. Okay, so they do not rhyme. All right, here is our number 3. So I'm going to say tip and sun. Now you repeat them. Tip, sun. Yeah, those do not sound the same at the end. Okay, now let's try the next one. You listen first. N, N. Now you say them. N, N. See? There you go. Those do sound the same at the end. Okay, next ones. Un, run. Now you say them. Un, run. Yep, those rhyme too. Okay, next set of words. Ag, rag. Now you say them. Ag, rag. Yes, those rhyme. Okay, let's try our next set. Ought, and. Okay, say them with me. Ought, and. Okay, do those rhyme? No, they do not sound the same at the end. But what do they have that is the same? Ought, and. The same beginning sound. Okay, now listen to this one. Egg, et. Now say that with me. Egg, et. Do they sound the same at the end? Leg, let. Almost, but no, they do not. You were right. They do not rhyme. Okay, next one. Ip, ip. Okay, say that with me. Ip, ip. Yes, those do have the same ending sounds, so they do rhyme. Okay, last one. And, in. Say that with me. And, in. Right, they do not have the same ending sounds, so they do not rhyme. But they do have the same and in, same beginning sound. Okay, moving on to our next slide. Let me get this. This is your chaining. I'm going to pause for 1 second so I can get you the list of words. Okay, here you go. I expanded the screen, so here is your list of chaining words. Remember to sound them out. Make them tell you what sound changed first, middle, end, or when you get down to the bottom, first, second, third, or fourth sound. And when you are done with that, okay, so you're going to pause here and resume when you're ready. When you are done with that, you are going to read Kit's Mom again. Okay, so the reading of that is already attached, and y'all keep up the great work. I'll see you next week.